Hey, what's up guys? Ding from Ding's Workshop here. Today I want to share with you guys this beautiful marking knife I got from Banggood.com. So here's a closer look. Both ends are solid brass, and right in the middle is a piece of hardwood. Very beautiful. And the marking knife is on one side of the brass. You just unscrew to remove the cap. And here it is. A very fine tip marking knife, and it's absolutely beautiful. The tool was shipped out from China and only took 13 days to get to my house, which is in Seattle. The packaging is easy to open, just pull on both ends, and there it is. Again, a very beautiful tool. Very fine tip and sharp. So guys, let's talk about why do you need a marking knife. First, let's do a comparison between a marking knife and a 0.5mm pencil. So I'm going to make a line using the pencil, and then I'll make another line using the marking knife. So as you can see, the line made with the marking knife is a lot finer than the line made with 0.5mm pencil. Another benefit of using a marking knife is it's a lot easier to find the same reference in comparison to the pencil. For example, if I already had a mark made, let's say right here. Now if I want to extend this line longer, I can take my marking knife and just move it into the dent of the mark right there, and it locks in place. I'm not moving. And you can actually hear it. And once your marking knife is locked in place, you bring in your square, and now you are able to make a perfect extension of that mark. Check that out. Another way to use a marking knife is, let's say you want to mark at a certain length. In this case, let's do 17 inches. So I have my tape measure here. Now I'll just make a mark right at 17. And now my knife is locked in place. I can bring in my square and make a mark. See, very simple. So again, here's another closer look of the tool. Very beautiful. And we have the knife portion, fine tip, very sharp. Now one thing I noticed on the web page of this tool is the web page says this tool is a dual-use tool, which is a marking knife and a ink gel pen. So for some reason mine did not come with the ink gel portion. I'm not sure if I got unlucky or it was a typo on the website. But to me that's not a big deal because I expected a marking knife and I got a marking knife. Now in terms of pricing, this marking knife currently retails for about $8 on Banggood.com. And the build quality I think is very good. When you hold it in hand, you know this is not an ordinary pen or pencil. It has a very solid feeling to it and it's relatively heavy. And like I mentioned before, the tip of this marking knife is very fine and super sharp. So definitely be careful when you're using this tool. Now, do I think this tool is useful? Absolutely. Do I feel this is a great value? Absolutely. Now if you are looking for a fine tip marking knife for $8, this is going to be the best one you can find. Now if you haven't already, I highly recommend you guys to go to Banggood.com and check out their woodworking tool selections. They have a great selection of high quality woodworking tools at very reasonable price. And also every once in a while I get coupon codes and great special deals from Banggood.com. So please guys, hit that subscribe button to stay updated for future deals and coupons on quality woodworking tools at reasonable prices. Hey, thanks for watching this episode of my tools review. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.